In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up subscription payments on Shopify. So it's pretty simple, and to do this we are going to use an app from the App Store, and there is one that I think is the best one, and I'll share with you which one that is in this video. But first of all, if you have not yet created your Shopify account, you can do so through the link in the description. That will take you to this special landing page for Shopify, where you can simply enter your email address to start your free trial and get your first month for only €1 or $1 or £1. So if you want to claim this, just click on the link in the description, enter your email address and start your free trial. Now, after creating your account, you will see something like this. Now, in order to get started with setting up your subscription, you want to go and click on Add Apps right here, and then here click on the Shopify App Store. That will take you to the Shopify App Store. From here, you just want to search for subscription, and then from here you have a bunch of apps that you can use. Now, my personal favorite one is this one right here called Recharge Subscriptions. You can see it has 4.6 stars with 1864 reviews. Now you can also check out this one and the Seal Subscriptions app. They are also very good, but I like the look of the Recharge Subscriptions. So you can see you can set up subscription payments where people can get discounts and stuff like that, and they have a free trial. But after that it will be $99 per month plus 1.25% and 19 cents per transaction. Now, if you don't want to pay $99 per month, then I recommend checking out this one called AppStore, and here there is a free plan available, and that free plan even has 0% transaction fees, and this is free until your store reaches $500 per month in subscription revenue. So this one is probably best for most people, so I'll just show you how you can use this one. But the other one is also very good if you have some money to spend, but you will also need to handle the transaction fees, so perhaps this one is actually better. So I'll just show you how you can use the App Store subscription app to do this. So after you click on install, it will take you here, so click on install again. And then here under the app section in the left menu, you will now have the App Store subscription. Now for ease of use, you can just go and pin it, and then it will always be here. And then here you can see how you can actually get started. So start selling my products as a subscription, create subscription selling plans for your products, establishing rules such as discounts, billing intervals, and more. So to do this, click on next step right there. Now here you need to select a product for this subscription. Now I don't have any yet, so I'll just go to set up a product right now. So for example, I'll take my product right here that is coffee and click on add. Now, since this is a product that people may want to get every single month, I'll just set up a subscription for this where people can save a little bit of money. So now here you can add the frequency plan. So if you click on that, you can choose the billing type, so pay as you go, prepaid one time, prepaid auto renew, or pay as you go prepaid. Now I like the auto renew one, and I will set a frequency of once every single month. You can also change it to year, week, or day. Then here the display contents, you want to say the frequency name. So in my case that would just be monthly subscription. Now you can also show this so that people can see it, but I'll just keep it like that. Then you can charge on specific days, so the first of the month, but I just like doing the same day of the month as when the initial order was made. Then you can also do offer incentives, which is something I would like to do. So I want to offer a 10% discount if people decide to get the subscription. Then here you can set up your policies. You can even add an offer trial. For this, you will need to upgrade to the business plan. The visibility, you can pick that right here, and the additional details. So then you can just click done. And now I've set this up. Now if you click on this link, you will now see that it takes me to my store. Now for this product, I hadn't yet set a price. So for example, I'll set it to €30. So now we head over to the App Store subscription. You can then click subscription plans right here. So now after you have set up the subscription, which in this case is the monthly subscription, and selected a product that it applies to, you can then click on next right here. And now you can go live with the App Store subscription widget. So you need to follow these steps. So first click on go to Shopify right there. Then in the top right hand corner, click save. So just click go to Shopify. Then here in the top right, click on save. So now we have enabled the App Store subscriptions app. So now you can click on start selling right there. So now we have set up the subscription, and you can see up to $500 per month in subscriptions. I can use it for free, although you won't get access to all features. Then for the $10 per month, you can do up to $5,000. Then business, which is $30 per month, you can do up to $30,000. And then business premium, which is $100 per month, you can do up to $100,000 in monthly revenue from subscriptions. Now here there are some more things to go over, so you can see the widget right there, a customer portal, but for now I'll just click on the free plan and get started with that one. And then after you have gotten started with a plan, you will see this right here. So then you can see your total subscriptions, your active subscriptions, paused, cancelled, and more. So this is if you want to set up subscriptions, which is what this video is about. But if you scroll down, you will see they do also have some other apps. For example, you can set up memberships. So if you want to set up a subscription for a membership specifically, then you should probably go with the memberships one right here. But now we have successfully set up a subscription for this product, that is coffee in my case. So you can see what it looks like right here. One-time purchase, 30 euros, subscribe and save. So now it's still 30 euros. So I would go back here and then set a discount to incentivize people to actually get the subscription. But now you know how you can actually set up recurring payments on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you want to get started with Shopify's free trial and then the first month for only $1, then go and click on the link down in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.